Thank you for watching my review of the Kitchenaid 4-slice toaster. The Kitchenaid toaster can do a various number of different pastries, from bread, bagels, paninis and ciabattas, and many more. It can also toast from frozen. It is unique and stylish design and comes with a 2-year warranty. The toaster has 3 main functions. These are bagel button with LED indicator lights, which is perfect for toasting bagels. It has a defrost button with LED indicator lights, perfect for toasting from frozen. And a keep warm function with LED indicator, which keeps toast warm for 3 minutes. All 3 functions can be used together. The toaster has an eye lift feature. Also, the toaster has a lift and see feature, which allows you to lift the item to check the shade during toasting. And the toaster makes a bleeping sound when toasting is complete. My overall rating for this item is 4 out of 5. It has a stylish design. It has wide slots. It has the lift and see option. It toasts from frozen. And it also has the keep warm feature. My only negative point is that it hasn't got a motorised lift. Thank you to AO.com for their excellent service in providing this item. Thank you for watching my review.